Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some lip swatches, and not any old lip swatches. We are diving into Lisa Eldridge, and I'm so excited. This came in the mail yesterday and it took everything I had not to open and just like dig in and like no. I'm so excited. I have 3 different kits here, but before I get into this, let me tell you a quick little story. I had to make a choice here, laugh or cry. Almost cried, I'm not gonna lie. I was like so frustrated. It is late. I just don't normally film this late. I've got my protein shake here. I am just like hanging on by a thread. And I have lost one of my tops, and I was running around the house trying to get everything ready for this video, and I thought, okay, well, it must have been just placed somewhere else, right? Well, I'm doing my lip swatches, you know, and I notice that I see a little extra gold on this earring, and I couldn't figure it out, but I'm sitting there, I'm posing, you know, smiling, stop, be serious, do all of the things, and then I realized, Yep. The magnet is pretty strong. It's a strong one. I better stop doing that. I'm gonna ruin my earrings. I really like these earrings. I don't know how I missed this, other than the fact that this little screen right here that I have to look at is teeny tiny. And I know, no, I didn't feel it either. I could put it right back on there. I didn't feel it. So we're just gonna ignore my extra accessory and focus on the lips, please. Because like I said, laugh or cry, and we're laughing today. On the bright side, I found the top, and yeah, I wasn't gonna redo my lip swatches. Like, you still see them. Might be a little distracting, but you can still see the color. All right, let me get into the products that I picked up, and then we will get into lip swatches. I picked up one of the Fantasy Floral Lip Kits. This is the Velvet Muse Lip Kit, and this bag is so pretty. It's velvet, and I love the floral and then the Lisa Eldridge logo. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. This kit has a gloss, lipstick, and a liner. I wish that the liners were sold separately because I wanted more liners, but not more glosses. Like, if there had been more nude glosses, I would have gone for more, but I was like, all right, I'm gonna get this kit, I'm gonna test out the gloss, and I'm gonna test out the liner, and then we'll go from there. This kit comes with Velvet Muse lipstick. If you have not tried the Velvet formula from Lisa Eldridge, and you like matte lipsticks, but you don't want it to be too dry, but you don't want it to be really silicone feeling or too waxy, I mean, this is one of the best, if not the best, matte formula I've ever tried. Yeah, it even trumps Pat McGrath, and I know that so many people love Pat McGrath, but these velvet lipsticks, oh, they are something completely different. And then we have the gloss, and again, the shade Muse, and the liner, shade Muse. On the website, it reads that the liner in the kit is the same tone and shade as the gloss and the lipstick for a natural look. This has a gel formula that is supposed to glide on very effortlessly, even to the driest lips. And then on top of that, it's supposed to be smudge proof and waterproof. So we're gonna test that out. I'm gonna just take this, put it on my hand. At the end of the video, I will rub on this and see just how budge-proof it is. For the gloss, it reads, this clever multitasking formulation functions as both medium to high pigment gloss and instant restoring treatment, cushioning the lips with emollient hydrators and leaving them soft as silk. And then just in case you haven't seen, heard, read, or played with these, I'm going to read to you the description for the velvet lipsticks. Each bullet has the appearance of beautifully plush velvet fabric. If you look up close to this, it does. It looks like velvet. And then, of course, whenever you use it, it changes. So you can see right here where I have used it and then where I have not. It's really pretty though. I love that just little detail to it. This matte lipstick revolutionized with a saturated Technicolor formulation and a creamy texture with a slight sheen, just slight, that's 3D and luscious, not a flat matte. Then I picked up the Velvet Romance and the Velvet Roses collections. First, Velvet Roses. This one comes in a blue, like a navy, deep blue. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully the light is catching it. But it's a velvet blue bag. And then inside we have 3 velvet lipsticks. Velvet Blush, Velvet Carnival. This is a bright one. Just wait until you see this one on the lips. And Velvet Beauty. The Velvet Romance collection, this one is a green bag. I think you guys might be able to see that one a little bit easier. There's 2 shades in here that are repeats of the others, but I still got it anyway. There's Velvet Blush and Velvet Muse, which I have already shown you. And then this one, this is Velvet Affair. And this is what I have on right now. All right, it's time for the funny and the lip swatches. So let's just go ahead and get straight into this. For my 2 cents. You guys already know I love the Velvet formula. It is one of the best in my opinion, and I can't get enough. And another thing, every single one of these shades I love on me. And that doesn't always happen, but every single one of these I adore. And I really like this one. This one's Velvet Affair. It's so pretty. It's nude, but it's darker. It's a little bit more sultry. I really like it. But I like all the colors. And then I have to say, I'm very interested in this gloss. I'm kind of sad that I didn't get more of them. This is a really nice formula, and I really like the applicator. It's flat on this side, and the size of it is perfect. And the formula is really nice. I'm just going to put this right beside the liner. And you can kind of shear it out if you want to, but it will also go on more opaque. And you can just wear that by itself because it's not too sticky. It's not too thin. It's not going to like move around on your lips. I noticed that when I first put it on, I was like, ooh, this formula I can tell is one that is going to last in terms of a gloss. I would love to see these be made in like lighter nudes. I just really like the lighter nudes, especially when it comes to gloss. But this color is absolute perfection, especially with the liner, which, all right, we got to get to the liner. I'm excited. I really like these. Oh, I think they're so pretty. I'm laughing because of masks. I'm thinking about masks. And I'm like, I want everybody to see them, and they can't. But you guys can see them here on YouTube. All right. I can tell you that the liner felt great going on. I know you guys didn't see, I got really close to my mirror to apply it, but it went on very smoothly, and it does feel slightly gel-like. It does not tug at all. It goes on, and I could fill in my lips and have just a matte lipstick with this. It's very opaque, and the color is stunning. This would work with a lot of the lipsticks that I got. But I want to wait just a few more minutes because it hasn't been that long. I usually wait like 10 to 12, maybe 15. So I'm going to wait just a few more minutes, and then I'm going to rub because, let me see. Yeah, it's only been 6. So I'm going to give it just a little bit more time. Every time I stop and pause in a video, I think about the SpongeBob meme. Like,
a few moments later.
I'm going to take this cotton round, and we're just going to see. if this is smudge, budge, waterproof. Well, I mean, I guess I can't really test waterproof, but all right, that's a light one, a little heavier. Yes! But I'm like sad at the same time. Can I get these as singles? And can I get 1,000 more shades? Yes. Okay, going a little harder. Actually, I'm going quite a bit harder. It's still there. Yes. I love it. I love it. I love it. This definitely passes the longevity test. I love a good liner that is going to last like that. I'm happy with everything. I'm really happy with everything. I don't know if you can tell. I'm happy. I'm just not really happy about the lipstick top in my earring, but you know, whatever. I love you all. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if there's anything that you guys picked up. If you've tried this formula before, do you like it? I mean, I feel like you gotta like it. I feel like you just gotta like it. Also, please let me know if you've tried out the glosses, which shades are your favorites? Because now I feel like I need to try at least one more. Oh, I might have to try one more. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.